What's going on? Oh, wow. What are they doing in there?
They're having a party.
They're having a party?
We're going here.
Yeah.
Mommy, go. Going in here. Going here, Mommy.
Oh, you think you're going to get in too? You can. I think. Maybe. I don't know.
I can't fit in.
You can't fit in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who brought this to you?
Uncle Mark.
Uncle Mark? I don't think so. Who did you leave? Yeah. Who did you leave cookies for last night? Huh? Who did you leave cookies for?
Over here.
We left cookies over here. And where did they go?
They have cookies.
Who ate them?
Santa.
Santa ate them?
No Santa. No Santa.
Oh, yeah?
Santa.
I see.
Someone go bye-bye. Santa go bye-bye.
So are all your dolls having a little party in their new crib?
Want to check this? Hey, Mommy, check this.
Okay, you can check it.